What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here again for the 100th episode of the Daily Zest. Woo! Make sure you guys smash these likes, subscribe, share this stream out with friends because people need this hype. They need to know what's going on with Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, everything in this world. Thank you guys so much again for coming. This is a great day. We have a goal of 100 likes and 100 live viewers. I see we are climbing up. Those numbers are going. Those numbers are going. We're mooning. We're mooning. Let's continue on that train. I want to say thank you to our lovely sponsor, market Cipher. Ooh. Okay. Link is in the live chat and in the description. Use code ZESTY or code missteencrypto for 20% off at checkout, and you better use that link. And give some feedback. I know you guys have been really loving Market Cipher. I've been loving Market Cipher. As you guys know, I've been using it. So again, make sure you check this out. Sal, what's up over there on TikTok? And then Zeke said not bad at all. All right. Welcome to the stream. We have like 90 people over there on TikTok. If you guys could smash these likes and give me a follow, that would be absolutely amazing. Again, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and everything. If you want a better experience with the show, head over to youtube.com/missteencrypto. We got Randy, Brian in the chat, Colin McKenzie, Ozzy is here. Thank you for your love, Ozzy. We have Crypto Outcast as well. Bulldog sending me roses over there on TikTok. I cannot. Thank you so much. Crypto Outcast, like I said, hello. Welcome to the show. John Germain. I hope you got some in and out this weekend. Matthew Miller is here as well. All right. We have Jeff. All right. Kenny O. Gary Gensler is here. What's up, Gary? This is your safe space. You know what's up. John Foster and Roland. Nice to see all of you guys. All right. All right. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show. Oh, Mr. Strap, Jay Manlet, Roland, Rud Putt said hello. Wow, we have so many friends. All right, cool. I hope I got everyone. Chris, thank you so much for the corgi and the rose. Alexandra.
Celebratory gesture, 100 Daily Zest streams. Congrats, Randy MTC, profound heart.
Whoa, thank you, Alexandra. I appreciate you. Did you guys hear that? You guys heard all of that, right? Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. Thank you so much for your $10 super chat. Thank you, Chris, for your roses and your corgi. I'm getting absolutely rained on already. I appreciate it. I really do. Alexandra, so much love. Alexandra's also English. Subscribe to me on Twitter. So I appreciate all the Twitter fans as well. I've been posting daily updates on the Twitter subs. Ruby FX, nice to see you. Oh, that's Kim. Hi, Kim. Nice to see you. All right, Daddy-O broke. Oh, she says GM. Andrew from Canada. KG is here as well. Olive, what's up? All right, we got the gang out here. Marky Mark, nice to see you. All right, friends, we have again a goal of 100 likes and 100 live viewers. Mike James said thoughts on ordinals crashing Bitcoin. I'm gonna get to that. We will talk about it. We will cover everything today. Again, my friends, we're going to jump into the news. Cozy is here as well. Thank you, Cozy, for your love on Twitter. I appreciate it. I see all the tweets. I see all the comments. I try to respond as much as I see them. So thank you to everyone that contributes to the tweeter engagement and showing off this show and being able to share it out, because the more we share it out, the more YouTube is nice to us and the more people that learn about everything we're talking about. What's up, Big Dog? We're going to get into the beautiful, beautiful charts. A boom. You guys might feel like Bitcoin isn't looking pretty today, and I have to say, ooh.
100 Daily Zest is just the start. Smash those likes, chat.
Bulldog, thank you. Oh, sheesh.
100 streams? Is that all? Here's to 1,000 incoming.
Oh, wow. Oh. Oh. Thank you so much. Whoa, guys, this is guys, we're raining. Eric, Bulldog, thank you so much for the $10. Thank you for the tip. That's awesome. Sent directly to me.
After a week hiatus, I'm back. Speaking Silette, megaphone, yar.
Yar! Shout out to Armani out here. Thank you for the $5 super chat. Ozzy, thank you for your $10 super chat. He said 100 streams. Is that all? Here's to 1,000. Let's get after it. We will be here. I will be here forever. So I will continue daily zesting for you. So thank you so much, Ozzy. And then Chris for the $10 super chat. Chris, is that the same Chris from TikTok? Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, sheesh.
Let's keep IT going. Daily Zest forever.
Yo! Oh my gosh, guys, this is getting so real right now. Thank you. I appreciate it. Shout out to Mr. Strap for the 100 emoji. You know, we love the 100 emojis. And Marky Mark with the $20 super chat. Let's keep it going. Daily Zest forever. Let's get after it. Oh my gosh, yes. I will keep it going forever. I will continue to daily zest for you all because this is such a beautiful time to be alive. It's a beautiful time to be a part of a revolution. And that's what I see this as. This is a revolution, a peaceful revolution. Thank you for the perfume, Bulldog. I really feel like this is a great time to be streaming just because, yeah, you know, a lot of people complain maybe the viewership isn't here, you know, during the bear, which is the build market. A lot of people complain that the viewership isn't here and yada yada. It's the worst time to start a crypto anything. It's the worst time to start a podcast. When I started the Daily Zest, and you guys know it was originally the Weekly Zest, that became the Daily Zest because of your love and support. So, you know, I really feel like, again, this is just something that I'm very passionate about. And again, a lot of people were saying, you know, this isn't the best time to start a podcast. Why would you start a Daily Zest now? Why are you doing crypto news now when Bitcoin's $15,000, $16,000? It's because I don't care about where the market is at the moment. What I care about is the long term. What I care about is the short term education that we're immediately doing right now with this stream. That's the only thing that matters to me. I don't care where Bitcoin is at the moment. Because what I know is that we will all be a part of this revolution, and the education needs to come from somewhere. People are going to need something to look back on. What was happening in November of 2022 leading into 2023, where maybe this was the craziest bear market that the crypto sphere has ever experienced? What was happening? And then we could look back at these podcasts and know what was going on, who was here, who's not anymore, and where this is all going, my friends. It's so beautiful. Thank you, Chris, for the headphones. This is why I started streaming. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful show. It's a beautiful community that we have in the chat. And I'm so grateful again for every single one of you guys. And we will continue to be building this show. We will continue to be zesty individuals daily. So again, make sure to smash these likes, share the stream out if you can. Thank you to everyone that contributed so far. I can't believe we got like rained on with super chats already. I'm like very grateful for it. So again, thank you so much. Let's get 100 likes, 100 live viewers. We're over halfway to that goal in terms of viewers. So we're going to continue getting after it. I know we got Jimmy, the cool kid, in the chat as well. Thanks for coming, Jimmy. I appreciate you. Kevin is here and Matthew Miller. What's up? All right. And Rick, hi. Nice to see you. Joe Harvey is here. Retro Mike. Oh, sheesh. I know. Where's Joe? Joe isn't here. I was talking to Joe in whatchamacallit. Mike, I think you're gonna have to call out Joe because I was just talking to him in Telegram, and he said he was gonna come and he couldn't miss it. So I guess he fibbed to us. All right. We're going to get into the charts, and I'm going to talk about meme coins. I know you guys want to talk about that, so I got you. Give me a moment. We got Bitcoin, $27,882. Bitcoin down 2% today. My friends, I think we're going to be okay. I think we're going to be okay. According to Market Cipher, we're having a rise in green money flow, and we really haven't seen that much in a while, so I'm really happy to see it. Again, green money flow in terms of the daily chart on Market Cipher. Now, we had momentum shift to the other side. We printed a red dot, which typically isn't the best. But again, we have the VWAP confidently popping below, which is making sense because at that point where we popped below on the VWAP was when we started to take a dip for Bitcoin again on the daily. Now, we do have green money flow coming in, so I think that's good. I think that's good news because obviously big BRC20 tokens are popping off. You know, you have a lot of Bitcoin trading going on. And I think the price of Bitcoin is being a little bit suppressed because a lot of exchanges are struggling to cash out their, Bitcoin that people are trying to withdraw from them. So this is where you, again, have to really take note of the asset itself. Yes, there's speculation on Bitcoin with the price, but again, where are you going to hold your Bitcoin? It better be in a wallet, my friends. It better be in a wallet. You need money that belongs to you. Speculation is secondary. So we're going to take a look at what has been going on with Bitcoin. Again, we had this resistance of like $29,000, 29,100 range, and we were just sideways trading that throughout the weekend, and we slipped. Sunday coming into today, where we're literally at the top falling into our range. We had a little range here, a little yellow range here. You guys could see that, yeah. 26,914 was the bottom, and the top of our range seems to be $28,440. And we, again, started the day off that way, and it seems like we're coming down a little bit. I'm not worried. about Bitcoin, guys. You guys know I'm not worried about Bitcoin no matter what happens, because again, we're over 70% on the upside for the new year. So us consolidating like this isn't a terrible thing. I think number keep going up is a little scary in my opinion. So for us to be able to sit and consolidate here is good, especially because the banks are still going down, even though they're trying to pump up the bank stocks. I literally don't understand how that's happening. On another note, we're sticking to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still doing really good, really resilient, holding its value where it is, especially because the dollar is diminishing. Banks are having issues. We're going to continue talking about that later. Now, drop a 1 in the chat if you think we could rebound with Bitcoin today. Maybe revisit 28, 29K. Let me know. Drop a 1. If you think you are bearish, we're going to stay in the red today. Drop a 2. So 1 for green and 2 for red. Jimmy!
Sorry to interrupt, but here is 100 for 100 shows.
Jimmy! Oh! 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 Oh, sheesh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Jimmy, thank you for your $100 super chat. Oh. 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 Thank you so much. And Joe has arrived. Network Bits, we were talking smack about you. We thought you abandoned us. Thank you for gifting your 5 memberships. I see some 2s. You guys are bearish over there on TikTok. Really? I'm seeing some 2s on YouTube as well. It seems like you guys are pretty even with your bullish and bearishness. Whoa. Oh, Joe, you were in a conference call for work. Okay, I forgive you. I forgive you for now, Joe. Oh, board type crow, thank you for your $5 super chat with the emoji that says keep it up, and it's a little guy going like this. Can I be like him too? Hold on. Okay. How do I don't think I could lift it sitting down. These are heavy. Even though they're only 8 pounds, they shouldn't be that heavy. But here we go. I'm going to be like that person. Thank you for your $5 super chat. Thank you for all your contributions. As we are pumping the markets, we are pumping the MTC Daily Zest show. We are pumping iron. We're just pumping all of it. I think I'm going to be sore later, guys. I'm actually working out and doing physical activity for you guys. You're welcome. Just kidding. This is actually so good for me. I feel like we should all be doing this together, guys. If you want to work out, I feel like I'm pumping iron for all of us right now. I'm working out for all of us right now. I think I'm breaking a sweat. Woo! I feel like I worked out on behalf of all of us. So if you guys have a workout, you can skip it. No G, yes, he said pump it up. You gotta pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. Yeah. Leroy needs a workout. I just worked out for all of us. I got you. I got you guys. Don't worry. Dad Bod Baboon is here. What's up? Nice to see you. All right. You guys, I can't. I'm just waiting. I'm just like reading the chat. You guys are great. You guys are hilarious. All right. Bitcoin's doing all right, guys. We're doing okay. I feel like we're consolidating. And you know what? Even we could look at the week because we just closed out the weekly. Take a gander. Listen, we're still in the red on the weekly. I was hoping we could turn last week into a green week, but unfortunately not, my friends. It's gonna be okay though. I think. I had one friend on TikTok was just talking about the 27 to 30K range with Bitcoin. Seems like that's really where we've been. If you look at last week's candle and this one, I mean, the height of last week was 29,326, and the low of basically right now between the last 2 weeks is right now $27,861. So I understand what you're saying. Like, it has been basically a 27 to 30 range, my friend on TikTok. I'm just hoping that we could rebound and just make sure we could just have like a nice green week. I think this is a consolidation phase. I think that as TradFi continues to crumble, Bitcoin is actually doing really well and sustaining itself. So even we could take a look at Market Cipher on the weekly. Market Cipher is letting us know that the VWAP obviously is down a little bit. We're having a tad of red money flow on the weekly, which doesn't make me happy, but the green on the daily makes me feel like if we continue with that, maybe we could turn that red money flow into green money flow on the daily chart. Now we're starting to rise a little bit again with Bitcoin. We're at 27.9 now. Hopefully we could get to 28K maybe by the end of the stream. Maybe the Daily Zest 100th episode hype can bring us to 29K or 28K Bitcoin. Now, joking aside, we're going to head back over to our daily on Litecoin. Now, Litecoin is... Oh, sheesh. Oh, Mr. Sunny, thank you for subscribing. Now we have $80.79 Litecoin, guys. What is going on here? I mean, listen, I can't be upset with Litecoin because Litecoin literally 2x still from when we were looking back in June, like when people were napping, people were sleeping on Litecoin. And I think even now people are sleeping on Litecoin. Litecoin's down 3.3%. I could go on a Litecoin rant right now because honestly, what's going on with all of this gas fees on Ethereum, all the high fees on Bitcoin, it makes you think, what is something that's just as accessible, maybe more accessible than Ethereum, and has low gas fees, and you're able to transact small or large transactions with, same with, just like, people are having problems with Bitcoin as well, Litecoin. And that's why I'm surprised that the price is down this low. But we have $80 Litecoin. I think we could rebound here with Litecoin. It seems like this was a little bit of a resistance point. It's the point that we visited mid-March and previously again in January, and even farther back in May of 2022. So we're seeing levels again from May 2022. Hopefully we could use this now as support and just rebound from here and not have to worry about these levels again. Hopefully $80 again could be the new support instead of resistance here. When LTC20 tokens, Roland, I believe there are LCT20 tokens out, if I'm not mistaken. But again, why not use I guess Litecoin is just a great option for that. We could take a look at the market Cipher chart. Says that we are having a tad of green money flow, still continuous green money flow on market Cipher since April 10th. So that's almost a month straight of green money flow. So that makes me happy as well with Litecoin. Momentum seems like it's building up. Hopefully we could spike over there in terms of momentum. VWAP pop through and we can have a little bit of a pimp with Litecoin. Now even Ethereum is chilling, man, not doing too much. I wanted to see a rebound. I was hoping this was the move we were going to get. Unfortunately, we did not. Now, we were looking for some anchor waves to form. Now, it does seem like it's maybe going that way, but not really because the momentum did shift to the other side. Now, that was good. We wanted to see that. We wanted to see the momentum shift to the other side, but it didn't give us that pump that we wanted. Instead, the VWAP came down striking. Meh. And we had a little bit of a dip for Ethereum. Now, we had this range that we were trading in, just like how Bitcoin was having that weird consolidation between that little range we had there between like 27 and 30K. Basically the same thing here, where Ethereum was sitting between $1,700 Ethereum and $1,818 Ethereum. $1,880 Ethereum was a resistance, and we're still sitting at that point now, a little bit lower at $1,863. I'll get rid of this so you guys could see it clear. There we go. We had some bumps in the road with Ethereum. Seems like we're just consolidating. This was a point that we have been having resistance with since literally mid-March, then again early April, and now we're early May, and it's the same thing a month later. So it just tells me that we're gaining some strength, we're gaining some power, and according to Market Cipher, us having some continuous green money flow like this with Ethereum is great. And why wouldn't we have green money flow when these meme coins are absolutely having a day? And the gas fees Ozzy's putting in the chat currently is like $83 right now to do a transaction on ETH. That is absolutely ridiculous. And again, it just shows you we have to be able to scale for the bull market. And I think ETH is having trouble with the gas fees right now. But again, that does make sense for its green money flow. We could look at the weekly here for Ethereum as well. The weekly, really not much going on the past 2 weeks at all. This week, hopefully something is different. And we could revisit $2,000 Ethereum this week. We have a lot of green money flow again. Why wouldn't we when there's a serious amount of ETH being moved around and gas fees being paid because of meme coin season? Per, the title, meme coin season is here. Matthew Miller wants me to check Bitcoin dominance. I will do that for you, no problem. BTCD. Okay, there we go. So Bitcoin dominance seems to be at 48%. It has been trending down since basically the end of March. I don't think a lot of people think Bitcoin dominance needs to be really high in order for meme coin season to start, but I don't think so. I think Bitcoin dominance being at 48% is all right. There's not like too much, craziness going on here. Again, there's green money flow coming in for Bitcoin dominance, but I do think that Bitcoin dominance I don't really pay attention to it that much. I mean, of course I look at it, but I do think that, of course, I don't think Bitcoin dominance needs to be super high in order for altcoin season to start, even though we started to trend down and then meme season started here. Even Doge, I wish Doge would be at 8 cents, man. We visited 8 cents recently, but unfortunately we couldn't hang on there. So we're waiting for 8-cent Doge as well. I want to see what you guys are saying in the chat. We have Nifty Guy in here. The posts are related to MetaMask gas fees on ETH. Yeah. I know. It's pretty crazy, the gas fees. I mean, Matthew Miller, I see what you're saying, but at the same time, I could agree to disagree. Automatic Beats, hi, nice to see ya. Ara is here. Oh, that's a weird comment. Bryson, nice to see you. Welcome to the show. Welcome. Bullish Bradley is here. I think OG Backroad, I think I saw as well. Yes, they said happy Zestiversary. Thank you for the Zestiversary. I appreciate it. Oh, Matthew is here. It's okay. You're not late. You're chilling. What's the lowest Bitcoin is going? I can't give you financial advice, bro. You guys know I don't give price predictions. Crypto the Kid is also here. Welcome. Thanks for coming. Janix is here. What's up? Guys, we have 75 viewers, 58 likes. Let's hit 100 likes and 100 live viewers, guys. This is the 100th episode of the Daily Zest. We deserve 100s all around the board. Crooks said, hello from California. What's up, my friend from NYC? It's nice to see you. Cozy says, shout out to MTC. Thanks, fam. I appreciate it. Afeni say, happy Monday. And Retro Meister, he's here for the financial advice. Oh my gosh, no. Please don't put that on me. All right. Yes. Again, this is the 100th episode of the Daily Zest, and I'm very excited to be here. And thank you for everyone that's been contributing so far and being on this 100th episode journey with me, because this is an absolute gift. I love doing what I do. I'm so happy being a part of crypto, and doing this show is like the highlight of my day. I love doing this show. It means a lot, and I can't wait to see where the next 100 episodes, the next 900 episodes can take us. Like, I can't even imagine when we already have such an amazing community. MetaMask0x said, hello. Nice to see you. All right. Now, let me talk about the meme coins for a moment. Hopefully, Gary Gensler doesn't get too sensitive in the chat, right? Flying Tiger, I hope he doesn't get sensitive. All right. Meme coin trading volume surges after 2-year high signals caution for Bitcoin bulls. The trading volume for meme coins, or crypto originating from internet memes, is popping off. The crypto market saw $2.3 billion in meme coin trading volume last week, a 6-fold rise from the preceding week's $387 million to the highest since May 2021. The speculative mania was led by Pepe, my friends, and it has a max supply of 420 trillion Pepe, and it crossed a $1 billion market cap on Friday. Now, this was absolutely insane, and now it led to other tokens as well. We are seeing a bunch of tokens pop off. I've been looking into a ton of them. Now, Pepe, we could look at as well. I'd rather look at, you know what? Nah. I'm not looking at CoinMarketCap because I feel like that's not helping me enough. I feel like Dex Tools is better because we could look at the charts. Hold on. If you guys aren't familiar with Dex Tools, I haven't used Dex Tools for other than looking at charts. So just so you guys know, I don't really have any experience with trading on here. Now, we know Pepe was pretty much popping off. We are down 28% on the past 24 hours, but if you look in the past 7 days, we're up 85%. Now, we were taking a look at this range with Pepe, and we were on breakout watch there. Obviously, we broke out, and we could probably create another sideways range here. But this is the 4-hour chart on Pepe that's been playing out. If you look at the daily, it's not too descriptive because the coin's not that old. But again, we broke out there on the daily, and it seems like we might be heading back to that point, the top of our range. But we're going to have to see how that plays out. Let's make this yellow. Yeah, there we go. And there we go. So this is what's going on with Pepe. It's pretty much exploding. I know my lines aren't straight, so don't hate on me, But I do think that this is what's going on again with Pepe. We are mooning a little bit. We are retracing, which is normal. I mean, listen, people are like, Pepe's dead now. I don't think Pepe's dead. I think we could have a resurgence with Pepe. I mean, a lot of people didn't think it was getting this far. Now we're getting exchange listings. A lot of big things are happening here with Pepe, so I wouldn't completely sleep on it. It could retrace, and that's normal after seeing the crazy amount of gains that we have been seeing right now. Again, make sure you guys are still hitting those likes, friends. This is the 100th episode of the Daily Zest. There's another one that I know we were talking about Gensler as well. Gensler was initially popping off. I think Gensler had a nice run this weekend. It's down 67% the past 24 hours, but the past 7 days, we're only down like a 0.8%. Now, the daily on Gensler, you can see we had a nice pump on the 6th, so 2 days ago on Saturday. But unfortunately, we couldn't hold it. Yesterday, we took a dip. We're still dipping a little bit with Gensler now. It seems like it's revisiting this point that originally started with this pump 2 days ago. But again, people are really into Gensler, and they want to know what's going on with Gensler, especially because Gensler is going to be doing a lot of conferences soon, a lot of talks on the television. And I think this price action could correlate with Gary Gensler. I mean, Gary in the chat, this is called Good Gensler. Gary in the chat, the Gary Gensler that's here. I believe he's a good Gary. I believe he's a good Gensler. Hopefully we could stick to that. And Gary, hopefully you don't slam down on this and say it's a security. He said Gensler Inu. This is good Gensler. I feel like this really represents you, man, because you're a good guy, right, Gary? You're right. You're a good guy. You're a good guy. And then if there's any other meme coins that you would like me to look at, I definitely could. There's just so many I've been hearing about a lot. If you guys, again, want to take a look at it. Are meme coins a commodity? I don't know. I'm not a lawyer, my friend. I can't tell you any of that. I mean, the gas fees are, of course, like getting absolutely slammed. People are going off right now. Oh.
Thank you. Another 100 episodes, yeah.
Oh, thank you so much for the $5 super chat, Anonymous. I really do appreciate that. So, friends, the reason why you're not seeing that pop up in the YouTube chat is because they sent it directly through the link, which means it goes directly to me, which is extra zesty. So thank you so much for that. I really do appreciate it. If you guys do end up using that link and sending doing the fiat link, if you don't put your name there, then it pops up as anonymous, just so you guys know. I don't know if my friend intended it to be anonymous, but make sure if you guys do choose to do that, you enter your name in there. But thank you so much. I really do appreciate the $5 super chat. Bullish E-Money is here. Fearless at Agi Inu. Kryptone is here. Crypto Experiences by Jerome. Yeah, there's so many meme coins. But again, people are saying they get dramatic. Hold on, let me get dramatic, like the plebs on Twitter. Hold on. Bitcoin is broken. Ethereum is broken. Guys, Bitcoin is not broken. Ethereum is not broken. People are saying the Bitcoin fees are too high because of BRC20 tokens and Bitcoin ordinals. That may be true. There may be a little bit of network congestion, but it does not mean that Bitcoin is broken. All that it means is that Bitcoin is being used. The more Bitcoin is used, the higher the fees are. So it's not a terrible thing. Yes, the fees, we don't like fees, but that's what comes with you using the network. Same thing for Ethereum. We knew in the last bull market that Ethereum had scaling issues. The gas fees right now are stupendous. They're near unaffordable for a lot of people. When the bull market happens, we're going to have to see a lot of L2s popping off or other L1s that are able to scale and reduce these gas fees. I know Vitalik has come out and says, I'm going to fix the gas fees. I've been hearing that since I got in crypto. So what I would say to you guys is do your own due diligence, do your own research, and the gas fees are going to be high on Ethereum. But it does not mean that Bitcoin nor Ethereum is broken. It just means the networks are being used, which is a good thing. Then there's something like Litecoin that fixes that. It's an L1 It's the longest running blockchain with 100% uptime. It's the most accessible cryptocurrency besides Bitcoin, even more accessible than Ethereum. And the fees are a penny or less, whether you're doing a macro or a micro transaction. You could build on Litecoin with OmniLite. You have privacy with MWeb on Litecoin. Just throwing it out there, there is a solution. People are saying, oh, Lightning Network for Bitcoin, that solves the fee issue. Where did Lightning Network come from? Litecoin. Who did the first transaction with Lightning Network? Charlie Lee, the creator of Litecoin, and Jack Mallers. But no one talks about that. Litecoin is the solution. Just saying. Just saying. Imagine a Zesty coin came out. Oh gosh. Gary Gensler in the chat, please clarify for me. Do you think that if a Zesty coin came out or a teen token came out, would it be a security? Would you hate on it? David, thank you for the happy 100. I appreciate it. Again, friends, this is the 100th episode of the Daily Zest. So if you guys could give me a like, a subscribe, a comment in the chat, that would be absolutely amazing. We have 75 likes. Let's get 100, guys. I'm counting on it. Kryptone, let's make Zest. Yes. I thought it would be Sheesh token. Nifty guy, you know what? Sheesh token would be Zesty. Sheesh. I feel like Sheesh would really take off. GT, you're awesome. You're awesome. Thanks so much. Again, guys, if you guys are members, make sure to share those member emojis. I know you guys were gifted some memberships before, so make sure you guys show off those emojis. Give them some love. Dennis said he got a gift. Yes, you got a gift. Show off your gift. Oh, Mr. Strap. Thank you so much for your 100 emoji. The second 100 emoji from you. I appreciate it. Much love to you. Oh gosh, you guys are obsessed with Sheesh token. I guess, guys, if Sheesh token is made, it's not me, but I would be interested. Andy, thank you for showing up. Mr. NC say, oh wow, lady in red. Yes, I am in red today. I feel like this is one of my more zesty dresses, and like I really enjoy wearing it. And I feel like it just matched like the 100th vibe, you know? Mountain Climber said, Lil Mama Crypto. I am Lil Mama Crypto now, if you guys didn't know. Crypto Face did name me Lil Mama Crypto. I guess this goes with the whole Market Cipher deal, right? I'm just kidding. But I get like the whole Market Cipher gang says I'm Lil Mama. I should have Market Cipher on the hat and then put Lil Mama under it. That would be so awesome. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Mr. NC. I appreciate it. Ozzy, you became a member for 6 months as a zesty friend. Not even a friend, a zesty friend. You said just showing off 6 months, and here's to another 6. So much love to you, Ozzy. Thank you for becoming a zesty friend for 6 months. If you guys are members, you better be showing off those emojis right now, giving all the love to Ozzy right now. That's so awesome. Thank you so much. Ozzy, you're a legend. You're a king. I appreciate you, your love and positivity. Joe.
Another 100 episode smile.
Oh, Joe, thank you for the $5 tip. I appreciate you so much, Joe. I love those. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Guys, you guys are giving me so much love and so much support. I'm so grateful for all of it. Thank you so much again. Wow. I'm like, I feel so spoiled today right now. I feel so spoiled. Oh, Retro Mike, you're trying to pin Joe against Joe. This is not how this works. Mike. Trying to start trouble out here. Again, if there's a coin you want me to look at, feel free. Now, what I find really interesting is that the banks are somehow rebounding. Now, we were looking at PacWest, Western Alliance, and those stocks were down 50% in one day. Continued to crash pre-market last Friday. Really suspect. And now today, these stocks are up over 50%. How could the stocks be near zero last week, but rebound to almost where they were starting the new week on Monday? None of it makes sense, especially because The Fed revealed 722 banks reported unrealized losses that amount to over 50% of capital. As the concerns of the banking crisis grows, how are banks, over 700 banks, losing over 50% of their capital, yet the stocks are doing decent? None of it makes sense. The banking crisis is not over. Guaranteed. People do not trust the banks. People are taking their money out of the banks as we speak because they say, I don't trust a custodian anymore. I don't know that my bank is going to be open tomorrow for me to put food on the table for my family. The only way you know you have your money is if you have Bitcoin. The dollar, the value is diminishing day by day. Bitcoin's value is rising day by day as more people are realizing that they can't keep money under their mattress and that the money they're keeping under their mattress might be worth a lot less very soon. Let's talk about it. Oh, Marky Mark. Before I do that, Marky Mark, thank you. Whoa, you're a zesty friend for 5 more months. Thank you so much. Wow, Marky Mark, getting bougie out here with the memberships. Guys, please spam those member emojis. Gaming with Smokey Dan, you're doing the right thing right there. Broke Oshi said, why the heck aren't we at 100 likes? For the love of God, smashes he likes. I agree.
All right, boys, is the 100 zesty. Let's make it rain.
No! Thank you for the $2 super chat. $2 super chat saying, all right, boys, it's the 100th zesty. Let's make it rain. Let's get after it. Thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. All right, guys, we're going to continue. Again, let's make sure we get 100 likes. We have 11 more likes for the 100th episode. Let's go. Wow, you guys are so awesome. I'm like literally so overwhelmed. This crash needed to happen. What are you talking about, Jacob? Are you talking about the Bitcoin dip? All right. Reported unrealized losses over 50% of capital as concerns over U.S. banking crisis grows. This is 722 banks, guys. The Federal Reserve revealed in a board presentation by the Division of Supervision and Regulation that 722 banks reported unrealized losses exceeding 50% of their capital at the end of the third quarter of 2022. This presentation, released to the public in April, is dated February 14th. It highlights the impact of raising rates on certain banks and the Fed's supervisory approach to address the issues at the banks. Rising interest rates create significant unrealized losses in investment securities and in some cases represent depressing tangible equity. As interest rates rise, banks with large market value losses could experience increased financial and risk management challenges. They also said at third quarter end, 722 banks reported unrealized losses exceeding 50% of their capital. Moreover, 31 of these banks report negative tangible equity levels, which means they are currently not able to borrow new money from federal home loan banks and may lose the ability to sell loans to government-sponsored enterprises. This is horrible. Many people are voicing concerns, and Gaber Gerbach, the director of digital asset strategy at investment management firm Vanek, said, the Fed had the data, knew what could be coming after their reckless interest rate policies, yet they didn't meaningfully warn either the government or the public, which is 100% true because JP Morgan, like people like them, are increasing their value because they just acquired First Republic Bank. These banks are going down heavily. They knew. The Federal Reserve, they knew what would happen if there were rates being raised. People uncertain of where to keep their money. Now again, 722 banks reported unrealized losses of more than 50% of capital. People do not trust the banks. People are worried. These rates are so high and all these banks are being affected so much that they can't even get new loans. So all of these band-aids that all these banks tried to use to stay afloat, they're not working anymore. Even First Republic, we saw they were struggling. Got injected with $30 billion in deposits, was supposed to be saved. And then the stock crashed, went to zero, and was acquired by JP Morgan. Where do you think all the rest are going? This is the start of the consolidation of this traditional financial system. Smaller banks go down, bigger banks get bigger, and then all of a sudden we are trapped and there's no way out. And then CBDCs are easily implemented. At least we have Bitcoin. At least we have freedom. At least we know the difference between control and we know the difference between freedom. Okay, we have 99 likes. We have 100 people watching, guys. This is the 100th episode of the Daily Zest. Make sure you guys are, again, showing some love here, guys. Show some love. We could take a look at Binance, my friends. Binance halted withdrawals. Matt said more hugs, less rugs. I 100% agree. Now, Binance resumed and halted withdrawals because they said that the fees were too high. 15 hours ago, we're going to put this in book mode. Binance tweeted, "We've temporarily closed Bitcoin withdrawals due to the large volume of pending transactions. Our team is currently working on a fix and will reopen Bitcoin withdrawals as soon as possible. Funds are safe." There's a large volume of withdrawal transactions coming from Binance still pending, and our set fees did not anticipate the recent surge in Bitcoin network gas fees. Our team is working to accelerate the confirmation. We'll provide updates. They said they're replacing pending Bitcoin withdrawal transactions with higher fees so that they get picked up by mining pools. And then they said that they resumed the withdrawals and everything is being processed. That was... This was around 12 hours ago that they said that. And then again, they retweeted this morning at 8:30. All pending Bitcoin withdrawal transactions have now been processed. Once again, thank you for your patience. So there's Binance continuing to tweet. Unfortunately, that's why you have to be your own bank, is that you don't have to worry about any of this stuff. But again, watch out for Binance and everything going on there. I think everything's okay. They seem okay. But the gas fee should not be an issue. And apparently they're going to possibly integrate a Lightning network into Binance as well. So you guys could look out for that if you guys are fans of Lightning. If you want instant transactions, then Binance is going to work on that for you guys. Now, there's a New York Attorney General that is seeking new crypto powers for state regulators. Oh boy. The New York Department of Financial Services would have stronger authority to regulate digital assets, with exchanges having to reimburse customers if they're victims of fraud under the proposed bill by Lolita James on Friday. Oh, I think it's Letitia James. Sorry, Letitia. Quote, "We're proposing common sense measures to protect investors and end the fraud and dysfunction that have become the hallmarks of cryptocurrency." What FUD! The New York legislation could directly oppose some core tendencies of crypto companies to provide a range of activities such as trading platforms, custody, and brokerage services. That all-in-one approach would be counted as an illegal conflict of interest under the Attorney General's proposal. The legislation also seeks to ban marketplaces from keeping custody of customer funds. In recent months, James has taken actions involving Celsius, KuCoin, and Nexo, claiming a number of tokens are secure or securities despite a considerable gray area over the scope of the existing law. Now, she tweeted on Friday, but in the absence of federal oversight of crypto, New York has been a de facto leader in U.S. regulation, an approach that other states in California, such as California and Illinois, have sought to follow but have not yet established those regulations. Now, I mean, I don't understand what's going on here, because now if they don't want people to have custody services, like if you can't keep your crypto on an exchange, are they promoting self-custody? Probably not. They're probably going to want you to custody somewhere that they're in control of. And I wish New York was more friendly to crypto, since I live here. But the proposed legislation targets a range of stakeholders, from crypto issuers and exchange platforms to digital asset influencers, with all to be held to detailed disclosure requirements. And investors would be offered large detail of risks and conflicts of interest, and crypto companies wouldn't be able to borrow or lend customers assets, which I'm not completely against. But the bill would grant the Attorney General jurisdiction to enforce any violation of the law of $10,000 per violation per individual, or $100,000 per violation per firm. So they're really trying to rob you at the bank, bro. But they say the lack of transparency plaguing the crypto industry causes immense harm to countless investors. Listen, man, we don't need to be protected. And this is the thing, that they want to protect us. They want to say, we're going to protect all you crypto investors. What about the volatility with the bank stocks? Last week, one bank stock was down over 50% in one day. And then this week, somehow it rebounds. How is that not volatile? Stocks being halted left and right because they're moving too much. How is that not risky? Where's the SEC investor alert to say, hey guys, watch out for the bank stocks because they're a little volatile right now. We need to protect people from being stuck in a bank stock that could potentially go to zero at any point. I don't get it. Let's regulate the stock exchange like that. Let's not let people invest in stocks because it's too volatile. Let's not let people invest in bank stocks. Let's not let people put their money in the bank because it's not reliable. This is the double standard that's happening between crypto and the TradFi system. Guys, again, this is the 100th episode. I know there's new people here. Make sure you guys smash these likes and share the stream out. Now, Hong Kong is continuing to step into the crypto scene. No other options. Hong Kong moving forward with crypto licensing. Crypto-friendly Hong Kong is still gung-ho about giving its citizens access to crypto despite their jurisdictions taking a step back. Now, speaking to Cointelegraph at Hong Kong's WOW Summit in March, the FTAHK chair, Neil Tan, said while in Singapore that the U.S. are seemingly stepping back from permitting crypto retail trading and Hong Kong is stepping forward. On June 1st, a licensing regime for crypto exchanges will come into effect, and it's going to include retail. Quote, if there's access to crypto in a legal and regulated way, then I'm sure participants will come. It is a build it and they will come because there are no other options. The options are dwindling, actually. Since they know that they could capitalize when the U.S. is falling behind. This is exactly what we're talking about with the U.S. pushing out innovation and sending it to other people. In February, the region's securities regulator proposed allowing retail traders to access licensed crypto firms in its licensing regime proposal for virtual asset services providers, aka VASPs. VASPs. Sounds like a wasp. Sounds like something I should be scared of. I don't know. It noted that denying access could push traders to unregulated overseas platforms, and these platforms could only serve accredited professional investors currently. So, I know Hong Kong is saying, we're going to help retail, but I think it's all centralized and they're pushing their CBDC. I don't know if I really trust Hong Kong to the fullest. I'm just gonna say that. But again, what did this article tell us? That Hong Kong and China in general is jumping on crypto and allowing exchanges to come there and allowing people to trade it because they understand that the U.S. is falling behind and that if the U.S. continues to push out innovation, they will push out money, they will push out power, and then other people will take no chance in missing that opportunity. And they will take it and make crypto a hub wherever they are, and the U.S. will continue to fall behind. Honestly, I'm waiting for the U.S. to say, hey, we're done being old, we're done saying bad crypto bad, and embrace it. It's the only way. It's the only way to bring back money. It's the only way to bring back innovation to this country. Let crypto flourish, and there will be a dramatic difference in our economy. Ooh.
100. Pretty impressive. Actually, well, proud of you. We need to support that. I do.
Ozzy, thank you for your super chat. I appreciate it. I'm happy that you're proud of me. That makes me happy. And thank you for supporting me. And I might get emotional. I don't want to get emotional today, but I do really appreciate everybody being here. The 100th episode, I remember a lot of you guys being here episode 1, and it was the weekly Zest at the time. And now we're here 100 episodes later. And you guys are still here. You're still supporting me. And the community is so much bigger than it was when I first started streaming the Daily Zest. And I couldn't be more grateful, honestly. Being able to talk about this beautiful revolution, to be able to talk about freedom every single day, it's a gift. It's a gift, truly. There's no other place I'd rather be. The goal of this show, and my goal in general, is just to educate people, just to let people know what's really happening with the banks, what's really happening in crypto. How do we navigate this crazy scene? Because I do understand that it's not easy for everybody. I hit the streets and a lot of people don't even know what Bitcoin is yet. This is why we need the Daily Zest. This is why we need a beautiful community like this. Because when new people come in and they need to look back on what was happening during this time, they're going to find these videos. And when people come into the industry and they need to know what's happening right now, they're going to come to the Daily Zest because of the beautiful support that is here. Because of the people like you that are watching this video and smashing these likes, commenting, sharing it out. All of this really counts. I'm serious. All of it really counts. 100 episodes later, and this community is so strong. And it's just the beginning. It really is just the beginning. This chat, if you look at this live chat, there's no better live chat. I'm being 100% serious. I've been in the game for a while, guys. I've been watching streamers since I was a little tot. This community is unlike any other. The chat, you guys see how this is popping off? This is not no ordinary chat. This is not an ordinary chat. This is top-notch, zesty stuff. Lazarus is here. Thank you for coming. Appreciate it, Rusty Bot. We're going to have a good year. We're going to have a good year, guys. Absolutely. Now, we could jump back into the news. I know I rambled a little bit. Yes, Zesty Gang. No, Zesty Gang. Let's get after it. Again, let's get like 120 likes. I know we have 109. Let's get 100. Let's get 120. We got Argentina's central bank is halting cryptocurrencies from payment apps. So they're trying to stifle some innovation here in Argentina. On May 4th, the central bank in Argentina bans payment providers from offering crypto transactions, alleging it intends to reduce the country's payment system exposure to digital assets. According to a statement from the Monetary Authority, payment providers may not offer or facilitate crypto services through their applications. The move brings payment fintechs and financial institutions under the same rules in the country. Quote, payment service providers that offer payment accounts may not carry or facilitate operations with digital assets, including crypto assets that are not regulated by the competent national authority and authorized by the Central Bank of the Argentine Republic, said the authority. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated in Argentina, which means all coins and tokens are subject to the decision. Now, I know a lot of people are upset about it, and of course there's hyperinflation in Argentina, which makes you guys think this is why they're heading to the US dollar. Look at it. That's scary. Now, this is an ongoing crisis, and people are realizing that they need Bitcoin. Bitcoin. People don't understand sometimes that, yes, Bitcoin's $28,000, but we're up over 70% on the new year. That is amazing compared to other countries where they're experiencing near 100% inflation constantly. And they have to spend their money by Monday if they get paid on Friday, because maybe by Monday their money will be useless. Bitcoin is stable for a lot of people in other countries. They're using Bitcoin as payment. While people here may be speculating on the price, other people are using it as money, as a currency like it was intended. Don't be so ignorant as to say, oh yeah, Bitcoin's $27,800. It's not worth anything. It's self-sovereignty. It's financial freedom. It gives people the opportunity to hold their wealth, take control of their value, and be their own bank. Chad, welcome to the show. Oy. Argentina, man. Now, speaking of innovation leaving the United States, Brian Armstrong from Coinbase has been tweeting, my friends. Tweeted today at 5 a.m. The United Arab Emirates deserves a lot of credit for being forward-thinking on crypto. First dedicated crypto regulator in the world, a clear rulebook published. Business-friendly plus strong customer protections. Really enjoying my visit so far. He continues to tweet. Great meeting with the Minister of Economy, H.E. Abdullah bin Tuq Al Mari in the UAE. There's there's little Brian with the leaders of the UAE. Continuing to scroll, he's at the Dubai FinTech Summit. And he said, thank you guys for hosting me. So there you go, guys. There you go. International countries are picking up Bitcoin. They're picking up crypto. They want the innovation. They know there's a lot of money here. While the U.S. is, again, still falling behind. Now, this isn't a terrible story. Bitcoin takes flight in Lichenstein. Minister proposes government services paid in crypto. Lichenstein, I hope I'm pronouncing this right, Prime Minister Daniel Risch announced plans to accept Bitcoin as payment for government services. As reported in the local news, the micro-European nation continues to embrace blockchain tech. Risch, who also serves as finance minister, is quoted saying a payment option with Bitcoin is coming. However, he didn't give a time frame. Moreover, the principality is unlikely to accept Bitcoin in HODL the Satoshi receives. Instead, it will accept deposits in Bitcoin and immediately exchange it for Swiss francs, the national currency, and the direct exchange into fiat sidesteps the currency's volatility. Again, friends, they are avoiding volatility with their own currency because of Bitcoin. Well, despite not being a European Union member, Lichenstein, or Lichenstein, I have no idea, is part of the European Economic Area where the EU's market in crypto assets MiCA regulation could apply. Again, this is really cool, but this is the sixth smallest nation in the world, and it's cautious to its approach in investing in Bitcoin and crypto. And they express their Bitcoin and crypto investments they see is risky for the country, and the verdict may change in the future. So this is really cool. Another government is accepting Bitcoin as currency. Don't you guys see? Bitcoin is inevitable. Crypto is inevitable. If you guys think if you guys are fading Bitcoin, you guys are fading a generational revolution. Miguel said, hola, when you see a red super chat, you know Jimmy is here. Yeah, yep. That's Jimmy, because Jimmy's a cool kid. S-Dog is here as well. Welcome. Automatic Beats is here. What's up? Lazarus. I don't know if I said hi to you yet, Lazarus. Whoa, Oh Man 13 is here. Matthew Miller's, I think he got salty. Oh no. Frederick is here. Destroyer 1911. Welcome to the show. Welcome. Julio said congrats on 1K. 1K on, this is the 100th Daily Zest, not the 1000th. So cool. We'll 10x that. But again, guys, this is the 100th episode of the Daily Zest, and I am so grateful to be able to do this show. As you guys know, I love doing the show every single day. I said it like a million times today, but I really do love the Daily Zest. I absolutely love what I do every single day. I cannot believe that this is my job, right? You know, I grew up, I wanted to be a news reporter. I wanted to do stuff with news. I wanted to help people. I wanted just to do a whole bunch of different things. And I really felt that there wasn't going to be a career that really aligned with everything I wanted to do, right? There was, I could go into the news, but the news is the news, guys. You know, the mainstream media, you may not be able to report on everything you want to report on if it's not quote unquote allowed. So I didn't want to do that. And I wanted to help people. I wanted to be a part of the crypto community, and everything that Miss Teen Crypto is, every single thing that Miss Teen Crypto is, like the podcast, the education, just everything that I get to do is everything I dreamed of doing. I couldn't pick any better career or job than this. And the fact that you guys support me the way that you do just makes it all the more worthwhile. I wouldn't be able to do any of this if it wasn't for your support. And I know that although this is only the 100th Daily Zest, there are so many good people here, and this community is already the best community, period. You look through this chat, there's no other chat that has so much zest in it, so much joy. This is so different. The vibe that we have here makes me so happy. It fulfills me. It really helps me project. And I really feel like we're just getting started. I really feel like this is just the beginning. Like I said, this is only 100 shows that we've done so far. And look how close we all are. Look how great this community is. Look how positive everything is. I just haven't experienced anything like this before, and I feel like this is going to be something really special. I feel like 1 year down the line, we're going to look back at this show. We're going to look back at, where the show started when it was the Weekly Zest, and then so much love came from you guys that is now the Daily. I couldn't imagine. I started the Weekly Zest. I was so like, I don't know if this is going to work. I wasn't sure, but I just really wanted to keep doing it. And you guys showed me so much support that it became daily Monday through Thursday. And now we even want to do it Monday through Friday too, which is crazy. Oh, Matt.
100 can't wait for 1,000 more. We are here for you and the love you bring to our community.
Matthew, thank you for your $20 super chat. I am so grateful, eternally. I really do love the community. I really do love you guys because, again, this is everything I want to do with my life. I want to educate. I want to help people. I want to do the news like this because I know a lot of people get confused. Maybe others, they feel like, I don't know. I just feel like this is a channel where you really get value. You really get just love and appreciation. I really do appreciate every single person that's here. Julio, you're not fully informed unless you're zestfully informed. Absolutely. Absolutely. And I do work my absolute hardest to keep you guys informed. I do research every single day. Right after this stream, I'm already working on tomorrow's and working on just getting quality news that you guys want to hear, that you need to hear. Because even though sometimes I get spicy with the news I share, it's only because I know that you guys need to know about it. I'm not gonna sugarcoat things. I'm not gonna, I'm just gonna tell you the truth. I've always been honest. I've always been transparent, and I will continue to do that. I know a lot of people feel like it's hard to trust people in crypto. I want to be that person that you guys can trust. I want to be that person that you guys know. I go on missteencrypto's channel. There's good quality information. There's good quality people in the chat. That's my goal. Honesty, transparency, quality information, and also some recipes, because I see Joe Harvey said you also enjoy cookies, LOL. Yes, I do post some recipes because I like to shake it up a little bit. I don't like everything to be the same all the time. So yes, if you want to learn how to make oatmeal raisin cookies, you could learn that on this channel as well. You want to make amazing air fryer buffalo wings, you can learn that on this channel as well. Digital said you need a cookie too. I know. No, G said MTC is the new news. I think Twitter is the new news. And if you guys are watching on Twitter and you want to tag Elon Musk on this, hopefully Elon sees this, hello, Elon Musk, what's up, bro? I really do feel that Twitter could be the new news because especially if they prioritize live streaming on Twitter, it would be so amazing. All these news channels would flock to Twitter because right now we only have we have Twitter Spaces, but people like the visual. They like articles. They like basically what we're doing here. Imagine if they amplify that on Twitter and able to give us a thing tab that you could look down live streams and playlists and stuff like that. It would be amazing. Hector is here as well. Hi, Hector. What's up? When is the next interview with a famous crypto personality? I'm waiting on confirming. I always want good quality guests on the show, so I know that sometimes it takes me a little extra to get someone good. But again, I want good quality on this channel, good quality guests, good quality people. So I am working on it. I'm in talks with a bunch of people. Kobe, what's up? Nice to see you as well. Again, let's try to get 130 likes on this stream for the 100th episode. Again, I'm very happy about this. You guys want Elon on the show? Listen, if you guys retweet the stream on Twitter, I'll drop the link. Hold on. Let's start a little revolution here. Hold on. Let me get my tweeter up. If you guys, I'll give you the link to the stream, and you guys could share it out to Elon Musk. And if it gets a lot of traction, then maybe, just maybe, he will answer it and say, jump on this live, or I don't know, not jump on this live, but check out the Miss Teen Daily Zest. You could drop it on in there. Oh my God, it's so weird to watch myself. I don't think I could watch myself like that. No. But there you guys go. Also, speaking of Twitter, subscriptions are live on Twitter. So if you guys haven't checked that out yet, then definitely do it. I know there's a few of you guys in the chat, like Alexandra, Matthew, that are subscribed to me over there on the tweeter.com. If you haven't, then make sure you subscribe over there if you would like. I have a goal of a few more subscribers because I do think that I do drop some alpha over there on the subscription. It's only been live a few days, but I have been posting on there daily for you guys just a little bit of updates like about bank stocks and safety alerts, and I posted a video over there. So if you guys want to go check that out, then that's another way to support and just like chill out. You guys were saying you guys want RFK on the show. RFK would be like really crazy to get on the show. Like that would be really spicy. That would be really spicy. He is pro crypto. I've been loving what he's been saying, dude. Concerning crypto. I'm not talking about politics, bro. I'm talking about crypto. Gary Gensler, he wants to come on the show. Let's go, Gary. Let's get it, Gary. Dad Bob Baboon said, you seen RFK go on other shows that are boring? He needs to be on a zesty show? Well, of course. Like this is like a different show. It's a zesty vibe. A JD Club likes that idea. Mark Smithson said Satoshi's the special guest. We're all Satoshi. We are all Satoshi. Even though we love Satoshi. Shouts to Satoshi. Well, I think Justin Sun's a little busy, Ozzy. I know Justin Sun's got a lot going on right now, but that would be an interesting one as well. That would be definitely interesting. Oh, thank you, Alexandra, for encouraging the Twitter subscribes. If there is someone that does subscribe on Twitter before I end the stream, then definitely let me know, and I will give you the shout. Because again, I think we have a handful over there. But hopefully we grab a few more. We talk about more alpha over there. But again, this is like a really great community. And again, this is like the most beautiful 100th episode ever. And I'm very grateful again for every single person that's here. Every single person that's willing to come here, smash these likes, share the stream out, comment, and just view whatever you guys choose to do, however you choose to interact with the stream. I am grateful for all of it. So again, thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for supporting this stream. Thank you for being here for the 100th Daily Zest. This is a non-fungible show. I think this is an NFS. I think this is something that we're going to remember for a long time. We are going to remember that where we started, my friends, how early we are. We are so early in crypto, right, Randy A? We are so early in crypto that this show, oh my gosh. Like, imagine, like, we are so early with this show. We are so early with crypto. The next wave of people is going to come into crypto, and hopefully they come here and to this channel, and we could educate everyone, right? We want to get Gen Z into crypto, and that's exactly what I'm trying to do. So if you know any teens in your life, you know anyone that needs some education, send them this channel. Have them jump into the stream. Let them know that there's somewhere you can go. Justin, thank you for the congrats on the 100th show. I appreciate you very much. Frederick said, it feels special to be with you on your 100th Daily Zest. Spicy Randy and a cookie. Yes, this is a spicy day. Like, this is like a really good day. And I feel like, again, we're going to remember this. We're going to look back on this show when we do the 1000th show, when we do like whatever show we do, wherever we are in the world, when we get like one day, hopefully I get like a legit cool studio and like I could run around and stuff like that. And like, instead of sitting in a chair, you know, I'm working on it, my friends. If you guys look at like my first missteencrypto shows, my first interviews, my camera was poop. My mic was poop. My computer is still a little poop. Well, we're working on that too. And you guys have just seen the evolution of my content, overall, just the channel. And again, like, I'm happy you guys are seeing it because we all know we start from nowhere, right? You know, I'm starting from nothing, just like a lot of other people in this space have. And I just like love that I've seen other role models as well in this space that were, you know, just no one, you know, and then they came into the space, they focused on their work, whatever that may be, whether they're like a project owner or a dev or a content creator. You know, there are people that started from nothing and really just made something out of themselves and went to the absolute moon with what they're doing, and they travel and, you know, they're helping other people. And that's exactly what I want to do. So I know that it's possible. I know that things may be rough, right? And it's hard to start. Especially being 17 when I started and I'm 20 now, where people look at me like, oh, you're a little young. So it's like extra difficult. But I know that it's going to pay off in the future, and I know it's possible. I know it's possible.
just in case you have forgotten how awesome you are.
Ozzy, you keep giving me super chats today, man. Thank you so much, Ozzy. You're awesome. Thank you so much. Yeah. So I do work really hard. I won't stop working hard because I know that it's possible. Like I was saying, I know it's possible to really make it and help a lot of people. Tell them you're older than Bitcoin. I guess that helps, right? Like I am older than Bitcoin, right? JD said it's a nice mic that we have recorded vocals on your album. Yes, this is an amazing mic. I really do love it. It's amazing. The other one I had was kind of poop. But yeah. Ozzy, I know it won't happen every day, but I'm grateful for you. Thank you for your contribution. Thank you. I'm sure most of us here are older than Bitcoin, but I do think that, again, I've been here for a long time. I'm still really young, so I understand that I gotta work a little extra. But I don't have any problem with that because I like showing that I care, and I really do care, right, Vinny? Vinny knows me for a long time. He knows I care. Tadpod Baboon said, you're older than the dirt. No, you're not, my friend. No, you're not. Frederick, you're listened and loved. There's no age for crypto. I absolutely agree with you. Listen, I was getting into crypto when I was 17. You know, there is no age limit for crypto. And that's why I loved it so much, because anyone anywhere in the world can get involved in this space. And that's what makes it really special, is that you could be like some shadowy super coder. You could be 60, 70 as a coder. You could be 13 and create something that's just absolutely amazing. In the last bull market, we saw a lot of young artists that really just made it big. And I think that's amazing as well. Josh is talking about meme coins in the chat. So Gary said, I was born in 1795, so no age limit confirmed. I'm so dead. Vinny said, he knows I care. You have my first NFTs on Wax from early 21. Man, yes. I love my Wax NFTs, man. I really do. And I hope we see a resurgence with the Wax in the bull market, where a lot more people are creating on there. And I think, there still is a need for Wax, because there's no gas fees. And a lot of people, forgot about that during the bear. They're like, oh, yeah, gas fees aren't so bad, right? And now they're seeing that it's not even a full bull market, and the gas fees are absolutely atrocious. Gary was found on Oak Island. Oh my god. War player, what's up? Thanks for the fist pumps, bro. Your minister, thanks for subscribing. Appreciate it. Guys, we received 1,000 messages in the live chat today. That's pretty wild. We were chatting a lot in here. What am I gonna do when I get millions of followers? I'm probably gonna be doing the same exact thing. I know a lot of people that have that change. And I've been watching influencers, content creators, people all my life. And I saw people, they came from nothing, obviously. And then they got followers, and then they got all this clout, and they changed. And I've seen that so much that I know that I have to not do that. And I'm going to stay humble. I'm always going to be who I am, because I don't think followers changes you. I think who you are is how you get somewhere. And you have to maintain that to maintain where you are, right? I don't think that I don't think I would never change if I had 1 million followers to be I don't care anymore. No, that's not the way it is. I'm not going to let my ego get in the way. Yeah, Matthew, because ego changes you. I would never let that get in the way. And especially because I have my dad as well, who will humble me in a straight second. Hi, Stephanie in the chat. I know, I do something, my dad's like, yo, stop it, bro. And I'm like, okay. And I also have my sister. So I have people that will humble me straight up. But I know I've seen people change, and I know that I don't want to do that. And I know I want to remain the same. And if you guys watched me 3 years ago when I was 17, I'm still the same. My narrative is still the same. Educating people, helping people. That's all I've wanted to do since I got in this space. And that narrative hasn't changed. And a lot of people have come up to me and said, oh, Randy, you're still the same as when you got here. Why wouldn't I be the same as when I got here? My mission is the same. Crypto, the fundamentals are still the same. I'm the same. I'm still the same person. And that's not going to change because of followers or any other circumstance. Retro Mike said network bits will change you. Joe's a nice guy, but I don't think he's going to change me. Joe actually right back at him said, haha, it will happen, but at least you have people to help you stay in check. No, I'm okay. I will be okay. I'll always be me. I'll always be the same. But I do have people that will keep me in check 100%. When I'm 50, will I still call myself Miss Teen Crypto? Maybe. Yeah. Why not? I don't see why not. I'm always going to be Miss Teen Crypto. 030 said, okay. Oh, you're trying to shill me a token. Got it. See ya. Vinny said, you know your divine purpose. I do feel like I know my purpose. Like, I really do. Like, once I started doing Miss Teen Crypto and, like, videos and tweeting and everything, like, I knew this is, like, I could not do anything else. I could not picture myself going to a dorm and sitting in a dorm and, like, looking at the wall all day. And I know people are like, why don't you go to college? You go party and blah, 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 join a blah. No, I don't want to do that. I could care less about partying. Like, I don't want any of it. What I want is to help people. What I want is to do good for people. What I want is to educate and be a part of cryptocurrency and spearhead a revolution.
Happy 100th, 0.000750000 BTC.
Yo, what? John just gave me some Bitcoin? Thank you for, oh my gosh, I wish it was 10 cents more. I would have switched the gift for you. Oh my gosh, but that was so awesome. $20.90. That's so nice. Oh, DJ, thank you for the rose on TikTok. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for the Bitcoin. That literally just like, oh, I love receiving Bitcoin. That's like the best thing. Thank you so much. Viva La Revolution. Exactly, my friend DJ on TikTok that gave me the beautiful rose. Absolutely. It's a great mindset to have. Well, thank you, Christopher. I appreciate it because it's the absolute truth. I'm being gosh honest with you guys. Right, Doyle? You understand. Guys, we have 9 more likes until we hit 150. That would make my heart so happy if we hit 150 likes on the 100th episode of the Daily Zest. All right, Zero. I see what you're saying. I get it. You wanted to chill a little bit. I'll let it. It's okay. We will allow your chill, for right now. But again, guys, like I really do speak from the heart. I'm 100% honest with you guys. I will always remain 100% honest. Like I said, there's really nowhere else that I'd rather be. I'm so grateful. So grateful. I feel like the coolest kid on the block. Like, you know, I don't care about partying. I don't care about any of it. I care about education. You could call me a nerd. But that's what I am. And that's what I will embrace, is my nerdiness. I don't care. I'll be a nerd sitting here in my comfy dress, talking to you guys about internet monies, a revolution, and love. For my next video, can I discuss BRC20? I think I gotta like focus on the BRCs. I mean, listen, I think the BRC20s are cool, but I don't know if they're like gonna pop, right? Because like I know people are complaining about the fees. Thank you, Sunny. And they're not that accessible yet. But I know that BRC20 tokens are actually getting listed on exchanges now. So I gotta look into it. No G's and MTC nerdiness over everything. I agree. I like being a nerd. I'm completely okay with that. David said, DNG, dork, nerd, and a geek. I feel like I am kind of like a mix of all of those things. And I'm literally not ashamed. Frederick, what am I going to drink and eat to celebrate my 100th daily show? I don't know. That's a great oh, actually I'm fibbing because we're going to make burgers today. Burgers. And usually there's this other place that I go to in my neighborhood on Mondays. They do like $10 burgers. Oh, they're fire. But the thing is, mi padre wasn't feeling great. And we also like can make fire burgers on our own. So I think that's exactly what we're going to do today. So that's what I'm eating. I don't know if I should make some tater tots with it, you know, because I feel like I want some crunch, like some Last night I made air fryer wings, and that was fire. So today we're making burgers. I like to give the bun a little bit of a nice toast in the oven. I know I'm getting very descriptive, but I like to put, you know, the buns in the oven for like two minutes, maybe like, you know, just little. You don't want them too crunchy because if you make your bread too crunchy, like the bun, then it just falls apart. You need the right amount, a little bit. and then some burger on what is it? Not a flat top, the skillet, right? Is that what it is? What is it? I know it's an iron pan. I think it's a skillet. I don't know. I feel like I'm not using the right word right now, and I don't know why it's slipping my mind. But it's so beautiful. Oh, I think it's a cast iron pan. What is it? Hold on. Cast iron. But it's so good. Yes, it's a cast iron, I believe. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. A cast iron pan. It's so good. It makes the difference. Yes, it really does make the difference. I'm telling you. Because I'm in New York. I'm in the concrete jungle. I don't have a barbecue out here. So, you got to get creative. Clowny said, is Clowny welcome in here? The world's only bona fide hype clown saying hi from Florida. Well, Clowny, this is just like Gary Gensler. This is your safe space. You're welcome here. Devs are nerds, you think? Yeah, I think they're nerds, but beautiful nerds that I love going to conferences and seeing a hackathon going on where I'm walking by and I just see all these nerds in the middle with their computers out with all this code on their screen. And I'm like, this is the future. These nerds right here are the future. They're building our internet. They're building the next generation's internet. I absolutely love that. Nifty guy said Jamaican jerk burger is fire. Oh, that sounds really good. Oh, sheesh. Wow. Mad Hatter said boomers 4-bit boomers 4-bit. Spread faster than okay. Got it. Boomers for bit. Boomers for bit. I guess it's gonna be the new thing, guys. Do New York City houses have chimneys? Some of them. Yeah, I would say yes. There's a lot of new houses being built that don't really have those, but yeah, they have chimneys. There's literally I think my aunt's house has a chimney, a little fireplace, some bougie stuff over in there. But I do love jerk chicken. Now that that's brought up, I can't stop thinking about it. I actually saw a video on my feed on TikTok yesterday of someone making jerk chicken, and it looked amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'm hungry now, guys. I gotta go eat. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I'm absolutely grateful. Again, Clowny said not all live streams are safe for Clowny due to clown discrimination and hostility. So being my first time being here and welcomed so warmly means a lot. Thank you. Of course, you're welcome. You're welcome, Clowny. This is your safe space. Jerk chicken is fire, Mad Hatter. Ozzy said, Did I address the poll? I did not address the poll. I shall address the poll. We have 183 likes in the poll, but only 140. Huh. Let's make sure we smash these likes and catch up to that poll. But 89% of you guys, lovely people, said that you want 1,000 more episodes of the Daily Zest, and 11% of you guys said, nah, I'm here for the cookies, which I accept. I would be here for the cookies a little bit too. But thank you guys so much for your love, and wishing for 1,000 more episodes. Doyle said he got food for the stream today, and you're always hungry watching. I mean, I get myself hungry when I'm doing this show, but I am really grateful again for every single one of you. I know I went on 5,000 emotional rants today, but I really do mean every single word I said. There's nothing else I'd rather be doing than sitting right here doing the 100th episode of the Daily Zest. Is Bitcoin
toast?
Oh, Diglets. Is Bitcoin toast? No. Bitcoin is not toast. It might be a little crispy right now. When you put the corn on a barbecue and you just let it sit in the barbecue for a little bit, let it crisp up a little bit, then as it starts to, cook a little bit, you put some butter, a little bit of salty butter, and then you still leave it on the barbecue, and then afterwards you take a bite and you're like, oh, that's amazing. So it's not toasted, no. It's just a little crispy right now and a little dash of salt on it. As you can see, we took a little bit of a dip. I could show you the chart. Oh, sheesh, I almost ended the show. We can look at the charts really quick. Take a look at this, my friend. Again, we have $27,911 Bitcoin. I'm not worried about it. Thank you for subscribing, Clowny. Listen, I wouldn't worry about it. We got $27,900 Bitcoin. Like I said, we were on the barbecue. We got a little crispy with the barbecue. Then we put some salty butter, which I had some salt, which was this daily candle a little bit, dipping it with the salt. So I'm not worried about it. I think we're going to rebound. Don't worry. It's not toast. You know Bitcoin's not toast. You know Bitcoin's not going anywhere. Mexican street corn. You know what? I'd never had Mexican street corn. And it's all, you know what? I have to do that because it really looks good. Like, it really looks good. Thank you guys so much for your love, by the way. I really do appreciate it. Matthew said cliffhanger. Ridiculous said you were about to dip, LOL. No, I wasn't going to dip on you, my friend. I wasn't going to dip on you. Bulldog said, damn, you scared me. I was working on another screen. Thought you ended the show. I almost did. It was scary. I almost did. My bad, guys. But again, don't worry about Bitcoin. Don't worry about anything. I'm going to be here for a long time. Bitcoin's going to be here forever. Definitely going to outlive me for sure. But Bitcoin is multi-generational, and we know that. And hopefully this content is multi-generational.
Thumbs up. Keep it up.
Thank you so much, Mad Hatter, for your keep it up and $2 super chat. Much love for you, Mad Hatter. Welcome to the show. I don't know if we've really talked that much, Mad Hatter, but I really do appreciate it. I'm gonna look out for the Wyckoff pattern. I know people talk about it. I'm gonna keep out for it, Matt, 100%. But I really do love this show. I love every single person that's here. If you guys haven't yet, please smash these likes, subscribe, share the stream out with friends so more people can learn about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. If you guys are interested, then check out the Tweaker.com subscriptions so you guys could get involved with that as well, because I do post daily there for everyone that follows there. But all I want to do across all platforms is spread that alpha, talk about everything going on in this world, because we need to talk about it. We need to make sure people are educated, and that's all I'm trying to do is educate. So much love for every single one of you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Again, make sure you smash these likes, subscribe, share the stream out with friends. Guys, wait. I forgot to tell you to stay zesty. Peace! Thank you guys so much. I'm so happy. 100th episode hype. Thanks again for coming. Have a great day. And as always, stay zesty. I think I have to go pump some iron.